With temperatures soaring across Telangana, Panchayat Raj and Rural Development Minister Seethakka has urged people to remain highly cautious. She advised avoiding outdoor activities between 11 am to 3 pm, completing essential tasks in the morning hours and using protective headgear if stepping out. Warning of heat stroke risk, she announced that cooling shelters will be set up in villages and mandal centers under Panchayat Raj supervision. Special instructions were issued for workers under the Employment Guarantee Scheme to stay hydrated, wear protective clothes, and ensure drinking water at work sites. Seethakka acknowledged difficulties caused by the central government's facial recognition attendance system but stressed compliance. She reminded citizens that their health is vital both for themselves and for the state.